Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can embed JoVE videos in Blackboard. Sign in to your JoVE account. Choose a video of your interest. Click on Embed Video. Click on Copy Embed Code. Sign in to Blackboard. Then navigate to your course. Click on Content. Click on Build Content. Choose Item under Create. Enter a title. Load more options. Click on the Source Code button. Paste the embed code. Click on Save. Click on Submit. That's it. Thank you for watching.